Shoot your aggro gun.
Yeah, that's what the small guns are for.
Yeah, use the horror gun, guys. Use the horror gun.
There is painted.
Here comes the ball.
Alright, boys, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Injuries on, injuries on, injuries on.
Who the drones ever launched it?
Injuries on, injuries on, injuries on, injuries on, injuries on. Keep it range last, keep it range last. 5k.
Purify painted.
Oh ja, it begins so.
That is a lot of molasses.
Said there was a lot.
No. Injuries off, 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 injuries off. Align hostiles, line to the hostiles, line to the hostiles, line up, line up, line up, line up. Line up, line up, line up.
Pre-overheat, or what should we do with the invo?
No, that's boat. That's boat. There's bombs coming in. Bombs coming in, guys. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. We might fucking kill an entire fucking bomb fleet right here. Right, Michael. Holy shit! Come on.
Oh my god.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh my god!
Oh, baby.
Do it!
Oh my god.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Everyone, line the hostiles. Line the hostiles. Line the hostiles. Oh, that's way too many bombs.
I think the server just died because of those bombs. This is gonna take a couple minutes, guys.
Wow, those bombs went way further than they should have.
See one wreck.
Wreck. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude.
GG to local! GG to local! Fall local, guys! Fall!
Rip.
Fucking rip.
Is there anything left?
The server hasn't caught up yet.
Holy shit! Pods are appearing everywhere.
That's a lot of pods.
I love to hear
We gotta start killing some
boats
shit.
calm.
That's a lot of wrecks.
Boats probably going off in there.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck!
Oh my fucking god, did he kill them all?
Dude, we got weapons.
Yeah, they're still exploding.
We
Killed all of them.
Holy shit!
Nearly.
Fuck you, boat.
Can we? There's a...
Holy! I didn't have the stream on. I don't have the stream on. Holy shit! No!
Dude, there's still
Bomber
some
Waffle recruitment just went up.
Can we finish him off?
Oh, beautiful.
I'm not sure anything's left, man.
Dude, there's
Someone get Saber warp up there.
They're still exploding.
Bubble it.
This is insane.
Can we get a saber up there or something?
Look at all the
Fuck these
pods
guys.
warp out. Someone take a
So
screenshot.
fucking cool.
Oh my god.
Who's GFing?
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
This should be the SIG.
Did anyone fraps that?
Yeah,
I've got a guy
in my corp that has it.
Yeah, my stream is running.
Holy shit.
Jesus Christ!
That pick right there should be the SIG pick for Bomber Wall.
Can we please go up there and loot everything?